Well, they're talking about bailing out Detroit, and almost everybody in America, except for the Democrats in power and those in Detroit, are against it. I'm sorry, bail out Detroit? Haven't we already done the bailout for Detroit? We bailed out the GM. And where is GM in the top 5 employees?
Nowhere. Back in 1955, though, they were number 1, the biggest employer in America. Number 2 was U.S. Steel, which, of course, is nowhere today.
Listen to this.
GE.
Cars,
Yep.
Let's go. Number 1 was
Cars.
GM. We
And
destroyed
the rest of the world.
GM. Yeah, I know. But if you look at, this is a 1955 list. The reason why it's not number 1 or not even on the top 5 is because we've destroyed it.
Yes.
We destroyed it. Number 2,
U.S. Steel.
we destroyed that.
Yep. Number 3, GE.
They're destroying us, but they're not on the top 5 anymore.
Chrysler was 4th.
Destroyed it.
Followed by Standard Oil.
Destroyed it.
Which, oil.
Destroyed it.
Evil.
And look at that. Every single one of those things, the world needed to come to us. Now our top is Walmart, Kelly Temps, McDonald's, Taco Bell. What's number 5? None of those are. No, the world's not coming to us going, we have got to get us some of that McDonald's. We have got, no, seriously, we're not going to make it as a country if we don't have a Filet-O-Fish now. And the only country that can build them, the U.S.
Nobody can put together a Filet-O-Fish like we can.
No, seriously.
Glenn Beck.